Welcome to Asharfa English.
Hello, how are you?
I'm fine. How about you?
I'm doing okay today.
It's so cold outside.
Yes, it's freezing cold.
Snow is falling again.
It snowed all night.
The roads are blocked.
I couldn't drive today.
I took a long walk.
Was it very hard?
Yes, the snow is deep.
My shoes got wet.
Mine were freezing too.
Do you like snow?
Only on holidays.
Same here, not daily.
Daily life gets hard.
Did you see the news?
Yes, flights are canceled.
So many delays today.
My friend is stuck.
Where is she now?
At the airport, waiting.
That's really unlucky.
Yes, she's very tired.
I hope she returns soon.
Me too. Poor girl.
What about your job?
Office is closed today.
That's lucky for you.
But I brought work home.
Oh, that's still tough.
Yes, I need rest.
Do you like winter?
Only in small doses.
Hot coffee helps me.
I love hot tea.
Do you cook at home?
Yes, soups these days.
I made soup yesterday.
What kind of soup?
Tomato and chicken soup.
Sounds warm and tasty.
What's your favorite dish?
I like lentil soup.
That's healthy and good.
Yes, warm and filling.
Do you go outside daily?
Only if it's needed.
I went for groceries.
Was the store open?
Yes, but half shelves empty.
Oh no, panic shopping?
Maybe due to snowstorm.
People buy in bulk.
I bought some bread.
I need milk today.
Hope you find some.
I'll try after lunch.
Do you wear warm gloves?
Yes, I wear double.
My fingers still freeze.
Try hand warmers, maybe.
That's a good idea.
They work really well.
Did your heater break?
No, but it's slow.
Mine is working fine.
That's very lucky.
Is your car covered?
Yes, full of snow.
I cleaned mine today.
Was it hard work?
Yes, very tiring job.
I'll try it tomorrow.
Do you salt your steps?
Yes, every morning.
That keeps them safe.
I don't want to slip.
I slipped once yesterday.
Oh no, are you okay?
Yes, just a small fall.
Be careful next time.
I walk very slowly now.
That's a smart move.
Do you miss summer?
Yes, I missed the sun.
Summer feels far now.
Hope it comes soon.
Do you have water problems?
Pipes froze last night.
That's really bad news.
Yes, no hot water.
I called a plumber once.
Did he come fast?
Yes, in 1 hour.
That's really lucky.
How's your power today?
It went out early morning.
Oh no, how long?
Just for 3 hours.
I use candles sometimes.
I have a flashlight.
Do you have enough food?
Yes, I stocked yesterday.
That's smart planning.
I like to be ready.
I miss meeting friends.
Me too, very much.
Cold weather keeps us in.
Yes, I stay home more.
Do you read books now?
Yes, every evening.
I read last night too.
What book was it?
It was a short story.
I love short stories.
I can lend you one.
That would be nice.
Do you like movies too?
Yes, winter is for movies.
I watched one yesterday.
What was the name?
It was a snow adventure.
Sounds perfect for winter.
Do you cook daily?
Yes, 3 meals always.
That's a good habit.
It keeps me busy.
Do you work from home?
Yes, these cold days.
I miss the office talk.
Me too. I feel alone.
What time do you wake?
Around 7 every day.
You wake up early.
It's my winter routine.
I sleep too much lately.
The cold makes us lazy.
Do you exercise inside?
Yes, some light stretching.
That's great for health.
It helps with mood too.
Do you like winter clothes?
Yes, I love warm coats.
I wear layers daily.
Same here, many layers.
Do you knit sweaters?
Yes, I made one.
That's a great skill.
I learned from Grandma.
Grandmas are the best.
Yes, full of love.
Did you light a fire?
I don't have a fireplace.
I use a heater only.
Same here. It's enough.
Do you hear the wind?
Yes, it's a very loud.
It shakes my windows.
Mine too. It's scary.
Do you watch weather news?
Yes, every morning now.
They said more snow today.
Oh no, not again.
Roads will be messy again.
I hate driving in snow.
Me too. Very risky.
I prefer walking now.
But sidewalks are icy.
I walk very slowly.
Do you need help shopping?
No, I can manage.
Let me know anytime.
Thank you. That's kind.
Nature looks peaceful now.
Yes, white and calm.
Snow makes things quiet.
Like a silent dream.
Do you visit family often?
Not now. Roads are bad.
Hope weather stays calm.
Fingers crossed for sun.
We can handle this weather.
Yes, we are winter warriors.
Winter is tough but pretty.
Yes, beauty and challenge.
Okay, I should head back.
Me too. It's getting dark.
Walk slowly, roads are icy.
Don't worry, I will.
Bye, see you soon.
Bye. Take care now.
Like, comment, share, and subscribe.